Okay, here we go with a new rhythm. This is to focus on that right there. So we have the dotted 8th note followed by 16th. So highly recommend keep the ghost drums going as much as you can with this stuff. Now after a certain speed, it's, well, kind of impossible. But the thing is with the this rhythm here, and I've seen this be referred to as like a 16th note swing feel. See, like when we get to triplets, we're gonna have a similar thing where instead of playing like a 1 and a 2 and we're gonna be like 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a, which is very similar to 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. So that's why the ghost drum stuff can be very helpful in making sure you're spacing it correctly. So if I was doing, basically go between like a bar of triplet feel swing and then the 16th note feel swing, the thing that we're going to be working on here. So again, do the triplet way and then what we're actually going to do. So So it sounds so similar, right? Let's go up a little more. 1, 2, 2. Oof. I didn't go back to the regular triplet. Okay, hang on. A little bit faster. So really, I mean, it's damn near the same. But with the 16th note one, the one we're going to be working on, it's like that upstroke has to come in right before the next downbeat. So it just comes in a bit later than the triplet version. So doing the ghost drum stuff is to help make sure, or to help give a better chance that you're spacing it the way we want it to be spaced. And that's also why we have a bunch of 16th notes through a lot of this, while we gradually have less and less 16th notes. Okay, here we go. Get where you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. See, a little bit hard for me to hear. Hold on. Oh, you know what? There we go. That's the sound I have. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, on to the palm mute accent thing. So this time we are just going to bounce back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So basically, we are using some dyad shapes to make this one. So this E minor, no 5, G, no 5, back to E minor, no 5, F sharp minor, no 5, resolved to the E note there. So back and forth, back and forth. So here's the thing. If you keep your index finger curled like that, like how you might normally hold a chord, we're going to have all this string noise coming from here. Hear all that? So you really got to make sure that index finger is laying down flat across all those strings. So lots of challenging muting for this one. Not just palming. See, I really got to lay that index finger across to keep things nice and clean. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was a terrible ending. Good Lord. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. And you can really just leave your index finger down while you're fretting, because I'm not taking it off right there. So that palm mute right there, along with your ring finger, if it goes flat enough, it's going to mute that E string anyway. So you can try just leaving your index finger planted the whole time. Might help get a better sound. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to end that with my index finger. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. End that with your index finger. Much easier. All right, let's try the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Theory stuff. So now it's time for you to do what we do. Fill all that stuff in, send it over. So for reference, use the progressions that you had last time. Now, when you have the B string stuff for the high B string stuff, so that example is shown, the last progression here. So for the chords, the root note is still going to be on the B string. So here, had to use some inversions to make the chords happen. So that's what you'll do when you have yours starting on the high B string. And then picking a chord here at the end where it's basically just in the same area. Yeah, same area for the final chord of the one starting on the high B string. I did pick a chord shape that does have the root note still on the B string, so see if you can do that. And yeah, I think that about does it. All right, so any questions come up, let me know, and I'll see you again next week in your new videos.